wanting before me?
Yes.
Somebody's thirsty today, apparently. Summer
I
is
haven't
here.
drank in a few days, so this is like,
That's true.
yeah.
We've taken a little break, as all of us have probably need to. But welcome to Brie Provencio, Chris and Edmi's Kitchen. Summertime, we were talking about summer, and now it's here. The summer heat
And
is
don't complain, because
Right.
we asked for it, and we love it,
here. Exactly.
even though we're sitting.
But today we're going to do something that often is used as a comfort food. And when I was a kid growing up, you come out of the snow or the cold and the rain. I'm sure you had a lot of that in Puerto Rico. And, you know, Mom would be making a little soup, which came out of a box, and a grilled cheese sandwich, which came out of plastic and was pasteurized Velveeta, whatever it was.
Ugh.
It was all good, but today we're going
Yes.
to do a little soup and sandwich, but we're really bringing it up.
Summer kind of thing, because we're going to do a gazpacho, which is a Spanish, it's comes from Spain, but it's a soup that it's raw and it's cold. So when it's really hot, we want to do a grilled cheese also, but we're going to start with the soup because we got to chill it. So that's what
It's
we're going to
raw.
do. It's raw.
It's raw.
Okay, so how do we start? We start now?
We start. How do we start? This is our.
It's like I'm asking
This
you
might be
permission.
our
That wasn't
20th
my
show.
intention. It wasn't my intention. I'm not asking permission. I'm just saying, should we start? That's what I should have said. Cucumber, a whole cucumber.
I didn't say we could
Chop.
start. I guess we're starting. Chopping a green onion,
Green leaves, the green onion.
scallion, green onion.
Yeah, so we separated already the white part, the onion part of it, and now we're gonna do. Are you afraid that
I'm
something's
going
gonna
to separate
fall?
your finger along with it, but you know. By the way, so I found this finally. I was looking for my summer wardrobe. I'm like, I'm missing shirts that I know I have. I love. This is a shirt I got in Puerto Rico
In it goes.
last summer.
Uh-huh.
And so what is it called?
Guayabera.
Excuse me?
Guayabera. It's
Guayabera.
like a traditional Caribbean shirt for men.
But this was considered sort of almost not formal,
But this is like the
you're dressing it up.
Kind of, yes.
Yeah.
Like people get married in guayaberas, like when it's a little.
Don't get any ideas just because I'm wearing my guayabera. Anyway.
One garlic.
Oh, the recipe. Okay, so 1 cucumber diced up, 1 clove of garlic diced up,
Yes. One
and 1
onion.
green onion. I asked before, once again, what do you need utensil-wise so we don't waste time?
Ah!
So this is the juice of half of a lemon.
Half of a lemon.
A lemon, okay.
And then we're gonna use some chicken broth.
What, 4?
Half a cup. Chicken broth. You can use
What a
vegetable
team!
broth if you really wanna like, be completely vegan. We're not vegan, as you can see.
No offense to vegans. I have some
No,
friends, you know,
fine.
and God bless them, and they're wonderful, and they're healthy, and they're good people. Some of my best friends are vegans.
1 egg.
Okay, what's going in there? Don't go like this with that one. Okay,
It's okay.
that was cayenne. Give it a little kick.
Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This yogurt has a.
This is like a Greek yogurt. Now what?
Well, let's do some pepper. Does this work? Oh yeah, it works. Some pepper. Why are you laughing at me?
Does this work?
Well, because sometimes
pepper
we had
grinder.
issues with it.
Oh, I fixed it. You know, there's a man in the house here, woman. I can fix your pepper grinder. So don't worry about it. I got that.
So a little bit of white vinegar
Or balsamic white vinegar.
or balsamic white vinegar, really strong.
It's getting rough in there. It smells like low tide at the Rockaways. That's what I'm
Oh
trying
my
to say.
God.
Which is, for those of you who know low tide at the Rockaways, or any low tide somewhere.
This is it.
I have to be honest, as a child growing up, there was no gazpacho in the Semino household.
Okay, and now you blend everything.
Now you can talk amongst yourselves. When the blender starts working.
Oh, I turn it off. Oh wait,
She's had this all of her life, probably.
no. Okay, so we just blend a little bit, and now we're gonna add the herbs. So we're gonna add some basil,
Fresh herbs.
butch herbs. You know where
We're not
they're
going to go
from.
back into the fact that,
Some
you know,
parsley.
go farm and garden.
And I'm gonna
Okay, I think we got this. You ready?
wait.
Take 2. Hit it!
Now it's time to taste. We're gonna taste it.
I gotta go back and smell it. It smells better than what was going on before.
It is.
You told me before we know. I said, what's going to make the juice here? And you said, oh, a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of vinegar. Like, that's going to make
Are you
soup?
trying to say that I'm forgetting ingredients?
I'll be in charge of the grilled cheese. That's all I'm going to say. The star of this show will be the grilled cheese. Who knows? Hey, I'm getting quite an ego now as a chef.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if the
When that's
texture
over.
is to your liking. It's really good. By the way,
By the way, my heart was breaking, but
as
I
I
had
was
to do
saying.
it. By the way, and she walks away.
So what was I gonna say? Oh, I don't remember.
We were in, what was the name of the restaurant?
Raya.
Can't it just be like Joe's Cafe? What? She walks away again.
Raya.
Can you spell it?
Like R-A-Y-A.
Raya. Okay. Raya. A friend recommended we go. And they have
Madeline, my friend Madeline.
Madeline. Big fan of the show.
And more.
Bezos and Omar, of course.
It's an Asian. Did I interrupt you?
No.
I'm sorry.
It's an Asian
It's an Asian Caribbean
fusion.
fusion.
Yeah, which is very
But first, we're gonna chill this out
chilling out.
because we want to eat it very cold on a hot summer day and mix it up with our grilled cheese.
Soup and
So it's gonna
sandwich.
be light.
Soup and sandwiches, they used to say in
Because
the
today
delis.
I got
A couple of them less. Okay, grilled cheese sandwich coming up next.
this is going in the fridge.
So while the soup is doing its thing and chilling, look what we've got here.
Look at this
Oh,
combination
get it in there.
of
Show them at
beautiful
home.
materials.
We've got a little brie.
Ingredients. That's
Or materials. We've got brie. We've got wasabi,
Wasabi.
sauce,
guava
guava,
paste.
and a little ruby grapefruit.
Yes. This
Together?
is all going into the same dish.
Oh no, but it's all going to sit in here. A nice loaf of
Oh
brioche.
my god, it smells so good.
We were going to bake our own, but we found out it takes 2 days to prepare. It's like,
We'll
yeah,
do it.
we'll go to the bakery.
We'll do it. We'll do it.
Some- Okay, so there are the ingredients. How is this all going to work? Let's get to it. Okay, so we're ready to roll here. We've got our brie sliced up. We've got our brioche bread sliced up as well. And the first step you're going to do is take your wasabi sauce. And again, you can find this, most stores have
Wasabi. Yeah.
wasabi. Again, it's as a sauce, so it's more of a condiment than it is
It's
the
not
actual.
the real wasabi that
Right.
you
Spread it across the bread, and this is up to you in terms of your intensity.
How hot you like it.
Some like it hot.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll find out. So on all sides, this is what we do with the bread. Then you'll take your brie, thinly sliced, and place, depending upon what's going to make a coverage of the bread, 3 to maybe 4 slices of brie per sandwich. Cover that baby up. To get that golden brown, what do you need? Yeah.
More butter.
Sorry, kids.
Like if the brioche did not have
Right.
any more
I try to be
butter.
semi-healthy and take the... What did you call the butter this? Wow. So I'm going to coat the outside of each. So I use a butter that is a combination butter and olive oil. So it spreads very easily, actually. And I'm going to do that on both sides here. In our skillet, we've got a little more butter. Olive oil butter, of course. And we're going to coat the pan with that.
So you might be asking yourself where the guava paste is coming in.
Where is the guava paste coming in on this?
Well, it is the sauce. It's the sauce that we're gonna put aside to garnish, and then you can dip your sandwich in it.
Right.
And let me tell you, it's an experience.
Yeah.
It's a very amazing culinary experience.
And like-
Flavors in your mouth that are like, oh.
Right. And even if not, take a spoon, dip and put a little bit on each slice, and it's
This
just
is on
amazing.
fire.
So now we have them, we're slicing them up to make them kind of like, almost like finger sandwiches. I have a feeling our alarm's gonna go off again.
The alarm is very sensitive.
We'll be right back with showing you how to make the guava while these cook up. Don't go anywhere. You should take it easy.
So we're just gonna melt it. I put a little bit of water so that I'm just gonna add a little bit of ruby red juice just to make it a little bit more flavorful, and some skin from the grapefruit. So look at this. Look how this is going.
How's that going?
Oh, well, not probably as pretty as I wanted it to look, but
It doesn't matter as long as it tastes good.
first
That's what
time,
matters.
first time out, this kind of stuff is bound to happen. We're going to live and learn, I think, from this a little bit. But
Wow, this was actually fun.
Yes.
I don't know, I felt like it's kind of like you're almost cooking lunch as opposed to a heavy duty dinner.
It is, and we're kind of experimenting because we've never done it, but we've tasted it, and because we like it so much, we were like, let's try to do it because it's pretty easy.
And we're gonna start out with our gazpacho. One thing about gazpacho you never hear.
What?
Hurry up, soup's getting cold.
Wow. Actually, that's a good joke.
No, it's not. You really. Is your birthday coming? Is that why you're patronizing me?
Just trying to make him happy. Gazpacho is really good.
This is good.
So fresh. And the colder the better, because then same thing, they just mix up the flavors and it tastes really good.
Let me really experiment here. I'm going to go out on a limb. I'm going to take a piece of the grilled cheese and mix it with the gazpacho in my mouth. Look at this. Oh my God, he's crazy!
That's
Oh,
right.
I have to tell you, these flavors, and the brioche, the bread is amazing. It has a little sweetness to it. So all the flavors, the textures, they're unique, something you probably never tried before, but they definitely work. So with that said, we're gonna figure out a way to make it look a little better next time.
Doesn't matter.
But man, it tastes good.
It tastes
It's great.
really good.
Anyway, I'm gonna continue to eat, and I'm sure
too.
you might want to do that too. So with that, buen provecho.
Provecho.
Thanks for watching one more time. Stay safe, stay well, and we will definitely see you next time.